Rotate to your left, please. Good. Drop the ear over here. Good. All the way. Let it go. Now with your eyes, look right here. There you go. Now we got one more down here, chin to chest. Drop the ear over to left.
This way.
There you go. Now rotate your jaw into me. In, left.
I don't know. Oh.
Left. Good. Rotate the head. Keep going. There you go. Do you feel that? Okay. You got one more.
That went that way down there.
As it was supposed to. Again, rotate it to the left. Drop the ear over this way.
This way.